Good morning, students. So this video is related to 29th April class, and first I'm going to discuss the homework with you. So I have given you these 5 fill in the blanks as homework. So I'm just discussing the answers. The dash is the only planet known to support life is Earth. The Earth is dash in shape and is slightly dash at the poles. So it is round in shape and it is slightly flat at the poles. The dash protects us from the sun's harmful ray atmosphere. There are 7 continents and 5 oceans. Lunar eclipse occurs when the earth blocks the sunlight. And further, these are some true and false which are the part B. This will be your classwork. This was just the discussion of the homework. This is the classwork for today. And the earth is fourth planet from the sun. Fourth planet from the sun. Is this true or false? It is false. All the planets in the solar system have life on them. It is false. Ferdinand Magellan was the first to prove that the earth was round. Yes, it is true. The left and right sides of the earth are known as poles, which is false. Only the top and bottom are known as poles. The Copernicus was one of the scholars to say that the earth was round in shape, which is true. Let's go through the chapter. So what all did we learn in this chapter is first we started by understanding that why earth has life and the other planets don't have life. Earth has life because it has at the right distance from the sun. It is neither too far nor too close. It has the right amount of atmosphere. It has the right amount of. It has an atmosphere that protects the earth. And regarding water, also it has the enough amount of water on earth so that we can live. There is 3 parts of water and 1 part of land. Shape of the earth, as I told you before, that it is round. And who was the voyager and who was the explorer? Ferdinand Magellan was the explorer. He went around the world and in the same direction he traveled for 3 years, proving that the earth is round. But who was the first scholar? The first scholar to say that the earth was round was Copernicus. Then, because of the rotation of the earth, what do you mean by the rotation of the earth? I showed you that the earth rotates around its axis. Okay, so this earth keeps rotating, it keeps going round and round, because of which the center is slightly bulged and the top and bottom are flat. The top and bottom are known as north and south pole. A horizon is an imaginary line, you can say, where you feel that the earth and sky are meeting. A coast is a line where the land and the sea meet. Earth's atmosphere consists of mainly 3 gases: oxygen, nitrogen, carbon dioxide. It also consists of water and dust particles. So this layer of gases around the earth is called as atmosphere. What is the purpose of this atmosphere? It protects the earth from the harmful gases of the sun, harmful rays of the sun. The earth is made up of 3 parts of water, and that's why it is also called as the blue planet. Earth consists of 7 continents and 5 water bodies, out of which the largest continent is Asia and smallest is Australia. India is located in Asian continent. There are 2 types of eclipses that you have studied. In the solar eclipse, in the daytime, it's how do you feel that it is a solar eclipse? When in the daytime it becomes a little dark. At that time you can understand that the sunlight has been blocked. How did the sunlight get blocked? By the moon. And because the moon is blocking the sunlight, it will cast a shadow on the earth. And because no light will reach the earth, it will become dark for a few minutes. So this is known as solar eclipse. It is dangerous to see the sun directly with our naked eyes because sun gives releases has some harmful rays. Okay, which is, so we should not look at the sun directly. Lunar eclipse. In the lunar eclipse, the earth is blocking the sun's light. Okay, and it casts a shadow on the moon. So this occurs normally during the evening time, and you will not be able to see the moon here. Okay, whether it is, whenever it is occurring, whether daytime or nighttime or whatever time it is occurring, what happens here is that it will cast a full shadow on the moon. Okay, and even though it will be a full moon, surely it will, lunar eclipse occurs during a full moon day. It does not occur in any other day. But whenever it occurs and it is full moon, the moon will not be seen for a few hours. All right. So although it occurs on a full moon day, you will not be able to see it for those few hours. Whereas solar eclipse will occur only for a few minutes, and lunar eclipse occurs for a few hours. So in both the cases, the sun's light is being blocked. Okay, in this case also the sun's light is being blocked by the moon, and the moon in turn casts a shadow on the earth. Here also the sun's light is being blocked by the earth, and the earth casts a shadow on the moon. This will 100% occur on a full moon day. Okay, and you will not, due to this casting of the shadow, because the earth is casting a shadow on the moon, you will not be able to see the moon for a few hours. Ferdinand Copernicus started his voyage. Who started the voyage? Ferdinand. Copernicus was just a scholar. What do you mean by a scholar? A scholar means an intellect person. Okay, he's an intellectual person, as in an intelligent person. There are how many continents? 7 continents. The dash is a unique planet and support life, Earth. What do you mean by voyage? Voyage is a sea journey. Visible means can see, landmass means a vast land. The northernmost point of the earth is called North Pole and southernmost is called South Pole. Our earth is covered with a layer of gases called atmosphere. One part of the earth's surface is covered with land and 3 parts is covered with water. Earth experiences 2 types of eclipses, solar eclipse and lunar eclipse. See, I'll tell you one more thing. This is very important. Okay. I may or may not have been giving to you this in notes, but this line here, our earth is covered with a layer of gases called atmosphere. Okay, I will add it in the notes, but it can come as a filling the blanks. Okay, that what is atmosphere, or our earth is covered with a layer of gases called atmosphere. Yeah. The dash is the only planet, you know this. All this we have already discussed. A, B we have already discussed, right? And C, what is the layer of air around the earth called? See, this is already a question, and we have done this question in the notes. Let me just see here. Previous notes. Yes, what is the layer of air around the earth called as? The layer of air, let me just correct it here, around the earth. Okay, see students, I am just doing a small correction here. I have written here the layer of air, us, the earth is called atmosphere. Sorry, I meant to write that time. The layer of air around the earth is called as atmosphere. Okay, and yeah, so there are how many questions here? 7 and 8, 8 questions I have done. One These 8 questions are important from the exam point of view. Okay, what does the surface of earth have more, land or water? We have done. Explain the shape of the earth. How do we know that the earth is round? Okay, some explorers started a voyage and reached at the same point in 3 years. This proved that the earth is round. The point at which earth and sky appears to meet is called horizon. The layer of air around the earth is called atmosphere. Which are the 7 continents? I have informed 5 oceans. I have written here. Alright, solar eclipse, lunar eclipse, we have cleared. When the solar eclipse occurs when the moon blocks the sunlight by coming in between the sun and the earth. Since no light reaches the earth, it becomes dark. Lunar eclipse occurs when the earth blocks the sunlight falling on the moon by coming in between the sun and the moon. Alright. So this is lunar eclipse and this is solar eclipse. Children, see this question here. What is lunar eclipse? Lunar eclipse occurs when the earth blocks the sunlight falling on the moon. You don't need to learn. Okay, you can simply learn that the earth blocks the sunlight by coming in between the sun and the moon. Alright, and this you can just learn. I've done the corrections in the book. Thank you.